This is an emergency broadcast. This is Mentor Sessions. One activity to do today with this date that is almost guaranteed to bring you business, more business than you can handle. Set out an hour of your time, watch this video for a minute and a half, and welcome to Mentor Sessions. Barry Paul, the owner of the exceptional brand powered by EXP, where love is in the air. It is February, it is almost Valentine's Day. One activity that will not cost you much, that will almost guarantee to bring you business. Send this, think of people, neighbors, colleagues, old clients, people in the community, people you know. Get your names, get your address book, buy your Valentine's Day cards. Here locally, you can get a pack of 8 Valentine's Day cards from Dollar Tree for $1.25. You need a bunch of them. Write your list. Send out 10, 20, 30, 40. Write a Valentine's Day card. Dear friend, happy Valentine's Day. I'm thinking of you. The one thing I would love from you is a referral. Who do you know that I, as your friend and real estate agent, can help right now? Thinking of you. Thank you so much. Bye. Simple. Put a stamp on it. Put it in the mail, send it out, but do it now. Write a list, name, address, thinking of you, ask for the referral, send it out, do it now. It will get you business, and yes, it may be intimidating, but handwritten cards in this day and age are what's going to work. Worst case scenario, if you don't have that much time, do the same by a text, but the ROI is going to be a lot less. Are you ready? You want business? You want listings? You want to sell more homes? Get your pen, stretch out. It's time to send them off. Happy Valentine's Day.